Hi there. There seems to be some confusion about these combination locks from Squire that we've put on some of the gates. Basically, we're getting reports that they're not being locked properly and people can access the fishery. You can also steal the lock, obviously, if they're not locked properly. And the cost of these, they're not cheap locks. Well, £70 plus VAT is the cost. So every time we leave one open, we've opened ourselves to vandalism, fish theft, all that sort of stuff. They're very good locks. I don't know whether you can see, it says boron on that. High tensile, take you hours to cut through it with a hacksaw. So anyway, the code that's on the front of your membership card will open these locks. Bear in mind that on the 1st of April we intend changing the code, and the new code will be on your new membership card. Might be prudent to keep the old code in case we don't get them changed on that particular day. So the code in this lock is not what's on your membership card. The code in this lock is brand new lock is 00000. So first of all, we need to set the numbers to 0 0 0 0 0. Pull this button, which will release the pin. Pin's released. You can now access the fishery. There don't seem to be any confusion about unlocking them. The confusion, I think, is when you're locking them again. So to lock it, we need to press the pin in. I'll turn it upside down so you can see this button. This button needs to be fully in there, and when you push the pin fully in, the button will go back into the lock. I'll open that again just to demonstrate that when it's not locked, when you think it might be locked and it's there, if you can't turn the tumblers, it's not locked. Press it fully in, it retracts the button. The tumblers can then be mixed, as they should be when you leave the fishery. It's as simple as that. So just a quick unlock, put the code in, pull the button, retract the pin, enter the fishery, push the pin back in, the button's back in, jumble the tumblers. That's about it. Nice quick video. I hope that we'll all use this method in future and save our fisheries from theft and other such vandalism. Okay, I'll speak to you soon. Have a good day. Bye.